On the 17th day of the Murdaugh murder trial, the jury heard from a family member. Maggie Murdaugh's sister took the stand today. And WSAV's Andrew Davis was in the courtroom for this sometimes emotional testimony. He is joining us now live from Colleton County with a breakdown.
Yeah, it was a morning full of testimony about the dog kennels. Were they actually cleaned before the murders? As well as financial issues did Alex have any money or did he not have any cash? And pathologists talking about the path of the fatal shots that killed both Paul and Maggie. But the afternoon was emotional as Maggie's own sister stood up and talked about on the stand about the nights that she was killed.
I just couldn't believe it. I didn't think it was true. I said, there has to be a mistake. I said, there's got to be some explanation. It just can't be them. We were afraid. We didn't know what was going on. My family was scared. I was scared for Alec and Buster. I felt like they needed protection. Alec didn't seem to be afraid. I said, Alec, do you have any idea who's done this? I said, we have got to find out who could do this. And he said that he did not know who it was, but he felt like whoever did it had thought about it for a really long time.
Marion Proctor said Alec and Paul had a great father-son relationship. Maggie and Alec didn't have the perfect relationship, but she did seem happy. She says Maggie and even Paul were worried about Alec's drug use. They called Paul the little detective because he would be trying to track down any pills that were in the house so Alec would not take them. And Proctor closed out her testimony by saying she was especially afraid after Alec was shot on the side of the road in September of 2021. But those feelings changed once she found out that Alec's story was not true and that he may have set the entire thing up himself. Now, there will be debate whether that will be introduced in front of the jury again tomorrow morning at 9:30. The jury won't hear it, but they could hear from Curtis Eddie Smith if that happens as soon as tomorrow. In Walterboro, Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, back to you.
Andrew, thank you. And WSAV has been following this case since it broke. You can find out what you missed in court today, as well as follow a live blog at wsav.com/Murdaugh.